Color blindness is usually caused by an inherited genetic defect in the light-sensitive cells, the cones, of the eye. Color blindness can also be caused by optic injury or nerve diseases. Today, we consider the genetic red-green color blindness, the male karyotype, an actual picture of the 46 chromosomes in a human male. Notice the XY pair. It is because of this difference in size and shape of chromosomes that the male is referred to as the heterogametic sex, and the presence of the Y chromosome accounts for the development of male sexual characteristics. Unlike all of the other chromosomes in this karyotype, the XY pair is not made up of two identical chromosomes. The Y chromosome is much smaller in size than the X chromosome. Some genes that are carried on X chromosomes have no corresponding allele on the Y chromosome. All it takes for a male to exhibit certain characteristics is the presence of a single allele. One gene carried on the X chromosome determines whether a human has normal vision or a red-green deficiency. A pedigree diagram, one that shows a male with normal vision, and we can tell this using the key here, and we can see that a big letter C is used here as a superscript attached to the X chromosome to show the male genotype. The female here is homozygous for the recessive allele with two little c's. We can see the likelihood of each genotype, with there being a 50% chance of each of these two alleles being passed on, very much like the toss of a coin. If the X chromosome bearing the dominant allele is passed on, we get this genotype. If a Y chromosome is passed on, we get this genotype. A 50% chance of having males and a 50% chance of having females. Closer examination of the genotypes will tell you that the females are heterozygous. These heterozygotes are sometimes referred to as carriers. Males, on the other hand, would either be colorblind or have normal vision. In this case, because the mother is homozygous, then the chance of having a colorblind son is 100%. Using this reasoning, write out the genotypes of each individual from 3 to 16. Go to TED-Ed and select your answers out of the Think section.